Hello friends, welcome to infovizworld. Today Chef Shree preparing Mung Dal Laddo or a green gram laddu.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for VEG-RECIPES.
To prepare Mung Dal Laddu, we require ingredients: fried Mung Dal, sugar powder, cashew nuts, kishmish, edible gum, ghee and cardamom seeds. Take a moong dal and fry it till it gets light red color. Then prepare a sugar powder. Quantity should be for 500 gram moong dal. Take a 500 gram sugar powder and 250 gram ghee. To begin with, fry a moong dal and make a powder of it. Take a pan, put a ghee in it, and after it starting hot, put a moong dal and mix it well. Fry it well, but keep in mind that it shouldn't get stick to the pan. Once it gets red color, put it in the pan and let it cool.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for VEG-RECIPES.
Take a pan, put a ghee in it, and put edible gum, and fry it well. And add it to a mixture you prepared earlier. Let it cool. It may take some time to get it cool. Now the mixture is cool now. Now add sugar in it and mix it well. Once it gets mixed well, add cashew nut, kishmish and cardamom seeds, and mix it well and prepare a laddu as shown in the video.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for VEG-RECIPES.
Prepare laddu as per your requirement, size, all that.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for VEG-RECIPES.
Now Dal Laddu, Mung Dal Laddu or a green gram laddu, ready to taste.
Please subscribe and like InfoVizWorld. Thank you.